my Gullah Red Rice. So I'm starting off with 1 large white onion that I've diced. I'm dicing 1 bell pepper. Typically, red rice is cooked with some type of smoked meat. I like to use a popular smoked sausage that we use here in Charleston. This smoked sausage is like a kielbasa. It's fully cooked, so it's just gonna add that nice smoky flavor. Right, so I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. I'm gonna add my sausage and bell pepper, get that nice and hot and sauteed. Let that cook up a little bit. I'm gonna get my tomato paste started. Tomato paste is a concentrated form of tomatoes, so it really makes the rice red. And you get that big burst of tomato flavor. The color, the smell, the smoked sausage, oh my goodness. Wanna sprinkle in some sugar, garlic powder, 2 cups of parboiled rice that I've rinsed, got some of that starch off, give it a mix. I'm gonna add a little water on top, because as the rice cooks in the oven, it does start to absorb some of that tomato paste, so I wanna make sure that none of the rice on top gets crispy. Oven's preheated to 350. I'm gonna let it cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. All right, I'm just fluffing it at this point. It's still a little bit on the wet side, and that's okay. That's what fluffing is for. And you know, it's basically done, so it wouldn't hurt to taste. Lord have mercy. This tastes like my grandma's house. That is red rice for you.